Welcome to INEHub, your trusted partner for expert reviews, trading signals, and the latest in crypto updates. Let's dive into another exciting opportunity on Binance. If you don't already have a Binance account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. Introducing an incredible opportunity for Binance users, Mantra OM, on BNB Smart Chain through the SuperStake program. This innovative staking experience lets you hodl BNB Smart Chain Solana (BNSOL) to enjoy boosted APRs and exclusive airdrop rewards. Mantra is a Web3 ecosystem designed to empower users with DeFi, NFTs, and GameFi innovations. With its debut on BNB Chain, Mantra aims to reach new heights, offering exciting rewards for active participants. Here's how it works. Stake your BNSOL on Binance and enjoy an APR boost while earning OM tokens. Plus, there's an exclusive OM airdrop waiting for you. Don't miss this chance to maximize your crypto holdings. The staking period is limited, so act fast. Visit Binance, SuperStake BNSOL, and unlock the full potential of Mantra OM. Thank you for watching. For more crypto insights, reviews, and opportunities, subscribe to the INEHub YouTube channel and visit INEHub.com. Stay informed, stay ahead, and let INEHub guide you to success.